Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks so much for joining me for another live video tutorial today. We have just 1 week left of celebration, so you only have a week left to take advantage of our customer savings, where when you spend $50, you get to pick out something free from our celebration catalog. Or our host rewards, which is if you place an order of $300 or more, not only will you get 6 level 1 or, trade them in for some of our higher level, 6 free items, along with our an extra $30 in host rewards. And then there's only a week left to take advantage of the starter kit special. So with the starter kit special, you purchase the starter kit for $99. Normally, you get $125 in product. You get either $60 extra or $30 extra in rewards, or you get this awesome glass mat. Where is it here in our catalog? Where's the picture? This glass mat and this fun little caddy right here, little silicone mat. Comes with a cleaning cloth. Really great. It's really nice for a stamping desk if you don't have a good smooth surface to stamp on. So very heavy duty, big enough for all your crafting needs. So if you're interested in these, let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. Okay, since there's only a week left, I thought I'd show another one of our products on the celebration brochure. So this paper is called Sunny Days. It's 12 by 12 paper, free with a $50 order. Let me show you a little closer look. So we have this fun cloud pattern, and this coordinates with the, what is it? Is it the Sunny Days coordinates with something in the mini catalog, the Bright Skies bundle. That's what it's called, Bright Skies bundle. So that's one side. The other side has this fun cloud and then the rain pattern on the bottom. Then we have this pretty floral pattern on one side, and then this petal pink kind of square plaid pattern on the other. Then we have this fun strawberry pattern. On the reverse side is the little butterfly pattern in crushed curry. Then we have this gorgeous floral pattern. I love this one. And on the back of that is like a little sunshine pattern. Then we have these cherries with stripes, and then on the back side a pool party stripes. This also, the pool party stripes, also coordinates with the cloud pattern, or the reverse of the cloud pattern. So a lot of these will coordinate with each other. So you look at the florals and then the little cherries. We have these two coordinate. Where's that? The one I want to look at. The flowers. Where'd they go? Here they are on the back of the sunshine paper. This goes really nice with this petal pink plaid pattern. So they coordinate very well between the group of them. It also has this pattern. This is all I have left. Has this green rainbow. We're going to use this today. This fun green rainbow in different shades of green. And then on the back, we have this coordinating green floral pattern with the small flowers. So we are going to make a fun little kind of St. Patrick good luck card today. So I'm very excited. We made these in class this month, and I was just really happy with them. They're not hard, and you can make a lot of them out of the designer paper. So I'm using a card base of shaded spruce, and then I have a piece of white to go on the inside. I'm not going to stamp yet since I'm doing a good luck card, and that could be for a lot of different occasions. So I'm just going to leave my inside blank so I could use it for, a graduation card or for a new job card or a move or anything like that. So I'm going to leave that blank. Then I have the same size white that I am going to put on the front. Now, I will post all of the measurements and supplies on my blog, so you can click the link in the YouTube video. Okay, next I have another piece of shaded spruce. I'm not going to glue that yet, I'm going to wait. And then I've cut 2 pieces of the designer paper. So I've cut they're 3 inches by, I think this was 1 3/4, and this is just 1 1/4. So what I'm going to use is I'm using the flower pattern on the smaller one, and then the rainbows on the other, because this is good luck. So I want that to be my focal point. And then right here, we have to have some sparkle. So I've used some of our sparkle paper from the annual catalog, and I'm going to put that down at the bottom. Of course, it's got to be gold because, you know, it's the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, right? So it's hard to see that green on green. I hope I got that straight. Then we'll put this one on. And I've cut them so there's a little bit of a border all the way around to all the pieces. And then we've got our gold sparkly paper right here. Love that. Okay, let's go ahead and glue this to the front of our card. Look how shimmery that is. Love it, love it. Okay, now I have a circle. I had some extras just in case I mess up. Cut from the Stylish Shapes dies, which is a must-have for everyone. Lots of circles, squares, and banners, so I use this one a lot. You could, if you don't have it, this is about 2 1/8. So you could use a circle punch if you want. So I'm going to stamp good luck down in the bottom kind of left corner of our circle. And this is from the Charming Sentiments. We don't have a lot of good luck, so this one has good luck on it, which works out perfectly. And then we're going to use 3 dimensionals to pop this up on our card front. I'm going to put it right about here. That way it doesn't cover too much of anything. Now, I need a shamrock. We don't have a shamrock die or punch right now. So what I did was search through my current dies, and I've got the Paper Florist dies. Now this cuts out all kinds of flowers and pieces to put together to make 3D flowers. So we have this one. It cuts out 4 of these petals, 2 smaller and 2 bigger. So I used the small one, and I die cut one of these out of the shaded spruce. And then for the stem, I use my cherry punch, my cherry builder punch. Can you see that right there? Oh, maybe this side looks better. And I punched out a stem in the shaded spruce. And then I just attached the stem to the back of the flower with a glue dot right between the petals. And doesn't that look like a shamrock? I was so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself to figure that out. You know, sometimes we have to use our resources wisely. If you're a Girl Scout or a former Girl Scout, you know how that works. Use our resources wisely. Okay, now I'm going to pop up my shamrock right there with a little mini dimensional. We've got to get just a little more bling. So I have got these, which are the Adhesive Back Sparkle Gems. These are gorgeous. You can see, we've used them in class. All my big ones are gone. They come in gold, silver, and black. Very elegant. They come in 20 large and 20 small of each color. So there's 120 elements, or, you know, gems on here. And I've used all except these 2 on this sheet, 2 small gold ones. So we're going to use a small gold one. And we're going to pop it right in the middle of our shamrock. There we go. And that is it. I've got enough to do one more shamrock on that sheet. I have another sheet, so don't panic. Okay. Isn't that adorable? It's so sparkly. Look how sparkly that is. I mean, who doesn't want to get a lovely sparkly card? I love it. Okay, that is our card for today. I'll post measurements and supplies on my blog. And don't forget, if you use the host code this month, I'll send you a goodie in the mail for free. And yeah, I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you back here on Saturday. I have another one of our celebration products to focus on then. All right, see you then. Bye-bye.